Now, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another check of your forecast to this Mother's Day Eve forecast, because Mother's Day is tomorrow, as we take a look at some of those important dates coming up on the calendar. Memorial Day just about 2 weeks away, and if you're wondering, you're clamoring for that first day of summer. Yeah, just over about a month away for astronomical summer. June 20th or 21st, I believe, is the first day of astronomical summer. Meteorological summer, by the way, if you're wondering, starts June 1st, so that's even closer. Now, here's a look at our average temperatures across the tri-state as we go through the next couple of weeks, and you can see how quickly they are warming up. Mid-80s, getting toasty by the time we get to the second week of June. It'll certainly start to feel like summer as we get closer to that first day of summer. Taking your furry friend for a walk this morning, really nothing to worry about. Maybe some additional clouds this morning. Also can't rule out the very outside chance at a stray shower. We've got a clipper system to our north. That's going to drag a cold front through our region this morning. Most of us should be dry. Maybe some additional slight uptick in the cloud cover for a few hours, but high pressure quickly will build in behind it. And by this time tomorrow morning, things are looking nearly perfect to kick off our Mother's Day. As we put Futurecast into motion, you'll be able to see here a couple of additional clouds. Maybe a shower sneaks down as that front makes its passage, but I think 99% of us will remain nice and dry. And by the lunch hour, probably plenty of sunshine across the entire tri-state region, which lasts into this afternoon and into this evening. And even as we go through tonight and waking up tomorrow morning, maybe a high cloud or two, but really nothing to worry about here. Notice temperatures by tomorrow morning, we're into the mid-50s. So overall today, slightly below average, barely by a degree or two, with plenty of sunshine. But as I said, there might be a couple of hour window with a slight uptick in those clouds, especially across our eastern communities. You get out toward Kentucky Lake, nothing to worry about. Then tonight, a little bit on the chilly side. Could see a little bit of patchy fog developing, especially you get closer toward the Ohio River. And here's a look at the extended forecast. Now, while this weekend is looking very nice, we are watching for a pretty active pattern to set up here. Monday evening, Tuesday looks particularly wet, could be even a couple of rumbles of thunder mixed in there. Showers linger Wednesday before we dry out Thursday.